Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Stack channel. So in the last tutorial we saw that how we can declare the print. So in this tutorial we can say how we can declare the variables and different types of variables like integer, string, float, and some other variables are like list, tuple, dictionary, and some other things are. So we don't detail discussion about all the variables. So just we'll declare very high level of this. When you are going to the in deep, so there we can discuss the what is a list, tuple, how we are using this list, how we are using the dictionary, and so on. So we'll go further in details. When you got the concept, that time we'll explore those things. So just remember that we have the multiple types of variables are there. So before understanding these variables, we need to keep one concept in your mind. When you go to the UiPath, or might be the Automation Anywhere, or might be the Blue Prism, or might be some other RPA tools. So everywhere we can declare the variable. Just take it as assign, and we can drag and drop the activity, or if you double click it will come, and there you can assign, and there we can declaring the variable. For example, if you declare one variable, so what type of that variable we need to predefine first of all. So when you come to the VBA or C hash or C Java, there also we can declare that variable. But when come to the Python, so just you can declare this x equal to 5. Forget about whether it is an integer or string or whatever it may be, it will come. By default, it will take this. So if I want to check the type of this, so type of x, just I will hit enter, and you can see this print. I mean, you can see this integer. So integer nothing but where stores the numbers 0 to 9. So it can store any number of them. And when come to the float, for example, if I keep dot 0, so this is called float. So when you have the decimals, dot 1, dot 2, dot 3, those and all came to the float. And when you see this, if I put the double quotes, so then it will act as a string. So by default, it will take that. No need to declare x equal to the name and it is a string. No need to declare anything. But when come to the other things, so there we need to declare. First of all, we need to identify what type of you're declaring the variable. So here that concept is not there. So that's why we can use it directly. So apart from this, we need to understand when you go the variables, all variables are same. Integer, when you go to the UiPath or Automation Anywhere or any RPA tools, integer means integer only. It will store the numbers. That's it. There is no much complexity on this to need deep day of these variables things. So variables, just it's nothing but it's a storage. It's just a container. You can make it as a container where it has the store bunch of the data. So for example, if you see check here so this is a one kind of data which we are storing under the x variable. So instead of this x, we can declare as name. For example, when you go to the some organization or might be we can see this regular names as first name, last name, and middle name. So those are now we need to store this. Why we are using this variables? That is a one more concept. So because so today I will develop the one automation or might be the one small thing. So after that another user will be used. So every time the same name will won't come now. So sometimes it will come Pavan, sometimes it will come some Asus laptop. When come to the laptop sites, we have multiple laptops out there. So there is no one laptop, there is no standard like this. Now we need to go with the dynamic way. So that process we are using this kind of variables. So that's why variable come into the picture. So now I hope you got just a view of these variables, how we are doing this now. So here I'm not going in a deep dive of the concepts. So just I will go very easy level, very high level, and I hope it will understand. So still, if you not got any concepts or if you not understand any things, so just post your comment. I will do on the video as well. Okay, now we declare this. Thing, and we can just type after that I will use this print of name. So just we can see this one. So I got this name as Pawan. So like this we can declare the variables. So after this now I will do something here. So just I will go and generate I will give the prompt addition of two numbers, or might be the give me the automatic operations like add, sub, multiple, and etc. So what it will, I don't want to code. Why I choose this one is now outside we are using artificial intelligence, so no need to code anything, just to give the prompt. Okay, just to give the prompt and take the data. So now if you see, these, if I want to run, if I want to type this one, so it will take at least 1 to 5 minutes. So when you go very fast, it will take 1 minute, and it again, it depends upon the person to person, it vary. Now it will get give the couple of seconds. So like that's why we need to adapt the AI technology, and we need to understand how we can use that things. That's a very simple concept. No need to what you said, this era means especially on the 2025 era, where the AI are came. So no need to remember every concepts, like no need to everything concept. For example, if you say pandas, so you need to understand why the pandas are using. If you go with some other libraries, means we have the multiple as Matplotlib, we have a lot of libraries. We need to just understand what it is doing, NumPy, what it will doing, why we are using. That concept is important. Later, if you go and do the chart, you need to give the prompt to the Chat GPT or Google Colab. Many companies are using the Google Colab, and after that, they are using this Visual Studio. In that Visual Studio, we have this one more support is there, Copilot is there. I will just show you. Now we'll go back to the Visual Studio one time, and there we have this. Just I save this file, and I will just enter this print, and I given some syntax error. So let that. So I run this automation. I mean, I run this script. So then you can see this was never closed. So the same syntax error. Just copy this syntax error, okay, and go to on the top side. Here you can this open chat. So this open chat is directly linked with this Copilot. So just paste is your thing, and you can just hit enter. So it will say user one reference, you got this error. So this is the thing happened. So you not given these things, so that's why this is error. So previously I charged something else, so that's why it's got error. I mean, that's why it's got a equal to 5, b is equal to 7 in cube. So you can just copy this one and paste it. And similarly, you can ask the things, uh, give me palindrome code. I forgot that code. So it will understand, it will give this palindrome code. So we can just take this one and copy and test it. So the given number is palindrome or not, it will run, and it can see this. So 121 is a palindrome. Palindrome is nothing but as a reverse. So if we give this 1 to 1, I mean from starting to end, 1 to 1. If you come reverse, 1 to 1. So having the reverse concept, if you go the same number, it will come. If you come back to the same, it will come. Just so we can say this Malayalam is the one palindrome number. So if I change this number as 122, then it's not a palindrome. So here the thing is, we need to understand the concept. What is a palindrome? So then only we can I mean, we need to understand the main concept, not from the code wise, because nowadays this era 2025 era, artificial intelligence era. So you need to just give the prompt to the models. These are all the AI models. Right now I'm using this Copilot, which is a kind of one AI model. So we are just giving the prompt, and it gives the code to us. So here 99% code which is generated till now, we have generated now from many years, we are writing this code. These code all each and everything given to these models. So that's why if you say something, it will give the prompt. If you give the some prompt, it will give the output as what we are required. So right now this is not working with this, so you need to chart with that. And until if you get a good answer, you can. Right now I will just one more thing. So just add try catch of it. So this is a normal prompt I'm giving. This will come. So just it will add the try catch block. So if if it is got something error, for example, if I not given this one, it is a syntax error basically. So it will say this num is having the some issue. So it has a syntax error. So that's why this and all we need to cover. So now if I run this one, so it's 122 is not one. Why it 122 it came? Because I given the input as 102 in the above chart. So this how the some memorized models are available. But when you come to this thing, it's a very big things are there. So now we'll go back to this our thing. So here we have this multiple things are we declared, like a equal to 5. This is addition things, and downstairs we can see the subtractions and multiplications, divisions, and we have the floor division. After that, we have the model reset and exponents. It's nothing but as a two cube, 2 into 2 into 2, like that. Just I'm run this thing, and we can see this. These are the outputs from this. What you are expecting, sir. So here one thing, adding the one thing. So let's take this one example. I will put it here. So here when you check here now, so here the sum, this is variable. So these should be passed in flower brackets. So when you're using this friend as a f is a, so when you use these kind of things, we need to pass this as the flower brackets. If I not pass this for flower brackets, so this will consider as a normal string. When I hit enter, so you can see addition is some results. Okay, so for example, if we don't want to get that in different way, so we can just make it as addition is, and after this we can keep the comma and we can process some results. So this is another way how we can do that. So one is the thing we can just post like this with the flower brackets. So this also it will give the same result, and this also it will give the same results. So based on our based on things, so we need to use. So they have the different types are there. So when I hit enter, result is not defined. So this should be make it as str of. So because it is in the integer now, so we need to just convert to the string, because addition is a string. Okay, some result is not find. Where it is some result. Okay, now I got error now. So just go on give this prompt. So like this, we need to learn these things. So here also again it give this try catch. That fine. Just come back here and paste it. So we can see this. So same thing I given. Okay, comma I missed. I think so. Okay, let me put back and I will put this downside. So addition is print of addition is str of sum of results. The same thing is given, but why it's getting this error? We'll check this one. So let me hit enter. Okay, it's working fine. So addition is this one and print of addition is this one. So one thing here I can say this addition is str of this one. This is coming as a integer, sorry, it is coming as a string, but I'm not getting this expected output. So what we missed here, addition is, this is the thing. Okay, so here having the issue with terminal. So just I killed this terminal and I came back. So the same thing previous also we put the same thing. So it's working right now. So when I click this enter and we can see this some addition is this thing. So now you can use anything like this way. If I remove this one, we'll see what will happen. It will throw the error. So because it has some kind of syntax should be the follow here. So this is the one thing, and the another thing downside you can see this print of addition. This is another thing. So you can use anything is fine. If you have multiple things, when we can use this like this means if I have multiple things all put together in the double quotes, so just I can put this one. So after this if I want to add one more thing, so let me put the space here, and I will put here a value a is value a is okay. After that I will open the parenthesis and I will put this a. Okay, now I've just hit the enter and we can see this the value a is 5. So here I have the multiple variables are declared. So on the top side if I want to declare again, so I need to go here comma again I need to put this value a is, and after this again I need to come outside and I need to declare str of a. So we'll see what it will give. It will give the syntax error, or I think this is correct only. Let me put something big. Okay, so the value is 10. Okay, now you can see this addition is 8 and the value is 5. So when you see here, so I need to put I mean I need to divide the segregate word. I need to here I used it two double quotes and again here I use the two double quotes, totally four double quotes. If I have multiple things, if I want to display the value b as well, for example, just after this comma, and I will make this as b. So why I'm going here deep means these things you need to understand. So when you go to in real time code, these kind of things will come most of the times. So why it means, because we need to check the headers under this particular header, whether it's came correct or not. After that, we have the multiple conditions, multiple logics are there. So we cannot go to each and everything. So we need to print it and we need to check it. So that's why we are using it. So for this, simply we can just copy this as value as a and just make it as value b. See how it looks, the difference. So that's why we can use anything is fine, it depends upon you at the end, but we need to understand how it will works exactly. So now it got the syntax error, some results is not defined. So where the some results, some result is there, here also it's there. Okay, let me kill this terminal one more time. So having some issue with this terminal. Okay, now we can see this, the value a is 5 and value b is 3, and similar same for this one. So like this, so you need to practice from your end and explore, I mean go to try to do this. We have some other variables are there, like tuple is there, dictionary is there, list is there, so you can try to work around on this. So so as of now this is one, this is things, next video we'll back to this. So